All right, so start with getting rid of that big, nasty radical, okay? Write the expression in the form of z to the n, okay? So hopefully we can get to that part where it's just the base is z and the exponent is n. So let's get rid of that big old radical. So let's change it to parentheses. And then that radical has an index number or a root number of 5. And so we're going to write it like this, okay? 1/5 power, okay? So what's inside? It's z to the 4th. And then z to the -3/2. Okay, I need to have those little tick mark things on my z's, otherwise they look like 2's. And if you have z's like that also, then start writing that little tick mark on there, okay? Okay, now, do you guys know what to do with the parenthesis exponents? Okay, see, check it out. If you had a parenthesis exponent, let's go with this guy. We'll go x to the 2nd power raised to the 3rd. Do you guys know what this 3 means?
X to the square 3 times.
Yeah, it's x to the square 3 times. So if I had like a 5 right here, let's put a y right here. Okay. What would you do to? What does this 3 mean? It means this 5 or 3 times, right? So I can write it out 3 times, which is a lot. You know, it's going to take me a lot of time to do that. It's going to be annoying. Actually, I don't want to do it. So let's kind of cheat. I'm just going to copy and paste. There's 1, and there's 2. Shoot, I'm running out of space. And 3. Okay, so I did it 3 times. That's what that 3 means. Okay, but there is a shortcut. I'll show you guys in a second. 5 times 5 times 5 is the same as 5 to the 3rd power. Agreed? Okay, what about x squared times x squared? What is that? X to the what? 6, because you go 2 plus 2 plus 2. Everybody still with me?
Yes.
What about y times y times y? Y to the 3rd. Okay, so there's a shortcut. What's the shortcut? How can I go from here straight to here? You guys know? You take all the exponents in here and you multiply them by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 1. That will give me the 3, the 6, and the 3. So you take the outside, the parenthesis exponent, and then you multiply it to all the inside exponents. That's what I did all that work for. So now over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this 1/5, and we're going to multiply it to the inside exponents. All right, let's do it. So we have z raised to the 4/5. And then we have z raised to the, what's that? What is -3/2 times 1/5? What is that going to give us? -3/10. So this is one way to do it, guys. Is there a different way? Absolutely. Okay, but what do you do with the exponents when you're multiplying common bases? You add the exponents. And so we have to add this guy to this guy. All right. So we have z raised to the 8/10 plus -3/10. And I went kind of fast. I changed this to a 10. And that would, I did that by multiplying by 2. So change the 4 to an 8, because I have to multiply by 2. Whatever you do to one, you do to the other. And then we simplify. So it would be z raised to the 5/10, which simplifies to z to the 1/2. Now, you might have done it a different way, but you got to the same result. If you got to the same result, you did it right. Congratulations. You know how to do it.